In this video, we're gonna take a look at TEBRA. So basically, TEBRA is a software that will help you run your business. So as you can see, they offer a lot of products such as EHR, billing and payments, patient experiences. As you can see here, you have patient portals and much more. Now, the great thing about this platform is that they have AI integrated that will help you basically run your business smoothly. Now, if we go to pricing, here we're gonna have to complete the form in order to basically see the pricing based on our business size, but overall this is a great software for your business. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.